So today we're down at St Cyrus Nature Reserve and we're gonna head over to the beach so that we can do a seascape shoot, which will be good. It's just we've just come away from the car park and parked the car there, so we're just gonna walk down to the beach and see what we can get down there. So once we get down there, I'll check in with you and we'll see you in a second. Something I didn't expect to happen, because we just got down here. Before we come down it was raining, so you'll see behind me the sun's come out, which is a bit of a bonus. But if I turn the camera around, you will see in the distance over there Montrose Lighthouse. It's called Skirdy Lighthouse. I've shot there before, but I'm not the only person down here, as you'll see there. So we're going to have a walk down onto the beach and see what we can find down there to shoot. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me. We're down on the beach now, and you maybe see behind me there's quite a lot of driftwood. If I spin around, you'll see it's just been washed up. So hopefully I'll be able to, further down the beach, they'll be a bit closer to the sea, and be able to frame that up and take that in the composition. So we'll just see what we get. Hopefully won't have to move any of the bits of driftwood, which I don't want to do. I'd rather it was natural, but we'll see what happens. At the beach, I've come across this log that you'll see here, and the tide is coming in, and I've positioned myself quite close to it. I've got my 10 to 18mm wide angle lens on the front of it with a circular polarizer. Hopefully you can hear me, as I don't think the GoPro audio is quite good on this alone. So I've got my polarizer on the front, like I said, which will cut out any glare in the sand. Also, what I'm trying to do as well is, the sun's behind me, so it's casting a shadow of the camera. So I'm going to try and position myself so that I'm not in the shot, so that my shadow's not casted over the sand there. So the waves are coming in as I'm getting taken away by the water. Good job I put my wellies on, and it's moving the log as well. But that'll just smooth out the sand, so that the next wave that comes in, hopefully it won't be too much, and I'll be able to use a slow shutter speed and just catch the light, the foam that goes out. So I'm going to try and take the shot and we'll see how that goes. Slight change of plan. I've decided to switch my lens to my 18 to 55 so I can get the ND filter on the front of it. I've turned the log as well, so it's not straight, so that it kind of points into the sea a little bit. So I'm going to take a few shots and we'll see how that comes out in a second. Okay, so I'm going to have to cut the video there. Just behind me you'll see there's a storm heading towards us, so we're going to head back to the car and hopefully continue shooting. Okay, so we're heading back up the road. We decided not to stop there. We decided we'd stop at a place called Crawton. There's a waterfall just over at my left shoulder there. We decided that we'd stop, so we've come down here to this bit here, and you see that there's some thrift in the foreground there, and a nice channel there that I'm shooting. So I'm going to pop the image up. I'll pop it up on the screen now just so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button below. Also, feel free to leave a comment, just let me know what you thought of this video, if there's anything else I can improve on in the future for any of my future videos. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon again on the next video.